My name is Nshimiyimana, the coordinator of New Wellness Initiative at Akimewijet. In this short video presentation, I'm going to discuss the secret and the talk by Martin Seligman videos to know how to evaluate and prove scientific claim and non-scientific claim in order to identify and apply claim that can help you to become happier and healthier at your work. Additionally, I will share with you my own experience dealing success-free and unsuccess-free with specific kind of stress that arise at work. I'm going to start by summarizing the secret video and discuss the claim in this video. The first video is more concerned about the secret, which is the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that you become what you think about the most, but you attract to what you think about the most. The law of attraction is born to our thoughts. Anytime our thoughts are flowing, the law of attraction is operating. It is obedient. It gives us whatever we focused on. We are all controlled by the law of attraction, and the law of attraction can give us whatever we want: health, happiness, and wealth if we implement it. Positive emotion, however, can be used in order to manage our thoughts. Therefore, positive thinking can help people achieve their goals. I'm going now to discuss on claim made in this video in terms of scientific. The claim that law of attraction is the most powerful law in the universe and responding to people's thoughts, and the claim that the secret can give you everything that you want: happiness, wealth, and health, are examples of 40 scientific claims, because there is no experiment conducted to prove that the secret can give you whatever you want, and there is no data to support this claim and to prove it. Additionally, we cannot isolate variables to justify the secret as being the cause of getting what you want, including happiness, wealth, and health. Let me also summarize the second video, a talk by Martin Seligman. The second video is more concerned about positive psychology and the 3 different forms of happy lives. The starter of psychology has been focusing on identification of causality and treatment of mental illness. Martin Seligman argued that positive psychology can make people happier and miserable people less miserable by building their strength as repairing their damage, making their life with fulfillment, genius, and nurturing high talent. He states that there are 3 positive interventions that could make people happier. An example of those interventions is gratitude visit. Martin Seligman believed that if people implement this intervention, they can become happier. 3 different happy lives in addition are pleasant life, good life, and meaningful life. The pleasant life involves having as much as possible positive emotion as you can, and learning skills to amplify them. Engagement involving recrafting your work, love, and leisure. While meaningful life involves knowing your signature strength and uses in the service more than you. I'm going to discuss on claim made in this video in terms of scientific. The claim that there are 3 different happy lives and some positive intervention like gratitude visit that can make people happier, and the claim that the pursuit of meaning has a strongest contribution to life satisfaction are examples of correct scientific claim, because a respected psychologist who has been engaged in the field of psychology for many years has made it. For instance, Seligman asked questions of happiness that have measurable answers, like which happy lives makes people lastingly happier. In addition, there are specific variables which Seligman references as interventions that can cause people to be more or less happy, and they are measurable, like gratitude visit. Let us evaluate which video is more scientifically sound than another. The video that is more scientifically sound is a talk by Martin Seligman, because it was presented by qualified and respected psychologist Martin Seligman, For instance, Martin Seligman's study has followed the highest standard of scientific method, resulting in organized investigation and observations. An example of this standard he uses is conducting random experiment in an efficacious and effective study with a big enough sample, and 15 replications involving thousands of people about the contribution of pursuit of happy life to life satisfaction. Moreover, Seligman provides a reference website www.authentichappiness.org to look it up and check if about what information about happiness. Conversely, the secret video is not scientifically sound because the conclusions in this video are not based on verifiable results, no testable hypotheses, and no reference provided. Now you have understand summary from both video and the claim made in these videos. Let me also going on specific kind of stress that arise in my line of work. Those kind of stress are being yelled by my boss because of being late, disagreement with my coworker. My own experience dealing successfully with stress. I did successfully with stress when my boss yelled at me because of being late at work. When the boss yelled at me, in fact, my heart started to pound faster. Afterward, I felt extremely worried and started to think actually my boss will take over me. Therefore, my ability to concentrate on my work decreased and affect my productivity. I deal with stress successfully because I was able to manage stress by thinking positively about things I like to do most at work, talking what stressed me with my coworkers and friends, enjoying the company of others over the weekend. This helped me to feel happier and perform better at work. My own experience dealing with stress unsuccessfully, I deal with stress unsuccessfully when I experienced disagreement with my coworker. The disagreement made me feel unable to control it. This made me start arguing with my coworkers and being angry. The disagreement made me feel stressed and suffer from the headache. I deal with stress unsuccessfully because I tried to suppress and ignore the stress. Suppressing the stress was lasting a short period of time, and afterward I re-experienced it. As a result, the anger made me feel stressed, and therefore my concentration ability and performance on the work reduced. I think it was a great opportunity to discuss this video with you by evaluating them. Thank you for your kind attention.